In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone display color problem. If your iPhone is showing weird colors, this usually happens when some display settings get changed by mistake. So let me walk you through how to fix this problem and bring your iPhone colors back to normal, nice and clean again. First of all, open settings app on your iPhone. Now slowly scroll down and tap on accessibility. After that, tap on display and text size. Now scroll down a little until you see color filters. Once you tap on it, simply turn color filters off. The moment you do this, you will notice your screen colors instantly look normal again. If your screen still doesn't look right after that, there is one more settings we need to check. Sometimes invert colors is turned on, and that can totally flip your screen colors in a very confusing way. So just go back to display and text size again, and now look for smart inverter, and if it's on, turn it off. Then also check classic inverter and make sure that one is turned off too. As soon as you do this, your iPhone colors should return to its original and normal look. And that's it. By doing this, your problem will be solved and your iPhone screen will look normal again. If you would like to learn more simple iPhone tips and tricks like this one, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video. Thanks for watching.